What's up guys, my name is Saxmist, and in this video I will show you guys how to make simple tool giver commands like this one. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is just open up a new game or the game you want the thing to get implemented into. So yeah, and then you want to just make a folder in replicated storage, call it like tools. Call it tools, and then open up toolbox and just add some random tools. Now we got 2 tools in there, that's enough just to show you guys. And what you want to do next is insert a script into search script service. Now you can name the script whatever. I'm just gonna name it command script so I know what it is. And then you want to start off by making a function. This function is gonna detect whenever a player sends a message into the chat. So what we're gonna do, game.players.player added connect function player, and then we can do player.chatted connect function text. Now what we are doing here is just getting all the players in the game basically, and when a player chats, this event's gonna fire, and that's just the text that's sent in the chat. So what you want to do next is do local text equals, actually no, you want to do local tool equals actually it doesn't equal anything, just make a blank variable there, and we're just gonna get the replicated storage also because we'll need that. And then what you want to do is just loop through the tools folder in replicated storage. So do for iv in pairs replicated storage.tools get children do. So now it's gonna loop through this folder right here. So yeah, it's gonna loop for all the children of this folder, so it's the knife and the M4A4, yeah. And then what you want to do is just local tool name is equals to string.lower v.name, so you just get a lowercase version of the name. So if you misspell it with like a capital letter or something, it's still gonna work. So, and then what you want to do is that you want to check the string, the text, if the player included a tool name. So we can do if string.find text and then tool name, then tool is equal to v.name. So if it finds the tool name in the message, the text, then the tool is gonna be equal to that name. So now we got the tool, so that's like basically 50% of all the work done. What we'll do now is just make a second kind of loop to check if the player included a player name in the message, and if so, then we're gonna give the tool to that player. So we're gonna do local receiver, yeah, that's his spell, nice. And we're just gonna make a blank variable right there, and then do for iv in pairs game.players or get players. There we go. So now it loops for all the players that is in the game. Actually we can replace v with player because that's what it's gonna be. Then we can do local player name is equal to string the lower player.name. And then what you can do is, essentially the same thing. String that find text player name. So if it finds a player name in the string or the text, the string, then the receiver is gonna be equal to the player. So yeah, that's almost everything done. Now we're just gonna make the process where the player actually gets the tool. If tool and receiver, then so what it does here is just checking if the tool and receiver is not just blank like they're here, which means that there has been a receiver and there has been a tool. Then we're gonna do local new tool is equal to roblox starts the tools, find first child tool, a clone. So it clones the tool. We find the tool in the tools folder and then clones it. And then we're gonna set the parent for the tool. And that's actually gonna be the player backpack. So we're gonna get the variable for a backpack. Local backpack equals receiver the backpack. And now we can do, let's just do new tool the parent is equal to backpack. And now we can actually test this out. So we just click play and we can type, or just do /e. If you do /e in the start, it won't be visible to other players when you send a message, but the code will still get notified if you send a message, so that's good if you don't other people see it in chat. So /e random Vigga, I can misspell it or with capital letters just to show you, just to demonstrate that it actually works. /e random Vigga, and then we can do a knife, so we can just type knife there, and wait, something, okay, it did not work. Oh, my bad guys, I actually forgot to lowercase the message, so that's why it didn't work. So we can just do local text equals string the lower text. So now the text will also get lowered there. So now it should actually work. And then knife, and yeah, see, that worked. And I don't know what this error is. I just took a random tool from the output, but that worked. We can do the same thing with the other tool. /e random Vigga. Ray for, and yeah, that also worked, but this tool is completely glitched. But yeah, it worked. Now that's how you make the basic command, but if you only want people with a certain group rank, for example, to be able to do the command, then keep watching. So what you can do then is type here if player get rank in group, the group ID there, and then equal to or higher than 5 or something, 5. You can do whatever you want, but I'm just gonna do equal to 255. Then this. Then if the player passes that statement, then whatever code here is gonna actually fire. So now if player get rank in group, this group, it's not a real group, I think. I just typed a bunch of random numbers. Have the rank number 255. I don't know if that's the highest or not, but yeah, then this code is gonna work. Otherwise it won't work. So yeah, that's basically how you make the entire command. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please consider subscribing, because we're fairly close to hitting 200 subs. I don't know, but yeah, like the video to help it get into people's recommended. I think that's how it works. I don't know, but yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.